How to do hat trick TEMU method. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your TEMU app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of View. Now you have to head towards the option of Settings. Go to the option Country and Region, open it. Set it to United States. After you do that, you can head back. After you land to this page, go to the option of On Credit and Free Gift, open it. Now here you're gonna find this option of Hat Trick Gift. Click on the option Get Now. See how many gifts you can win. Click on Pick for any of these. You can win 4 free gift. You can pick up to 4 gift. So here are tons of options. You can choose your gift. Click on the option of Pick. Select the detail of your product and then click on Continue. After you are done with selecting the gift, click on Confirm. Now from here you are able to choose the address. After you do that, click on Confirm. You will receive 3 free gifts. Likewise, for the 4th gift, you have to invite one of your friends. So click on the option of Invite Friend to get energy. Now over here you're gonna find different social media platform options. You can choose any of these platforms to invite any of your friends to the TEMU app. Also, you are able to use the referral code or copy the link and send it. And after your friend accepts your invitation, you will be good to go. You will receive all these gifts. So this is how you can do hat trick TEMU method. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.